Hi guys, this is day number 228 of my 365 live stream challenge, and today on this live stream I want to answer one more frequently asked questions FAQ that I'm getting from my audience. Specifically, this is the last one I got a couple days ago, so I decided to answer it here. You can see my screen right now. And this question, of course, is related to building software products, selling and making money out of this. The question on my live stream I found here from Hassan. He says, I will read verbatim. Certainly, I would highly appreciate if you can share tools and software that you consider helpful in gathering functional and non-functional requirements from B2B scenario. Apart from this, kindly tell any calculation tools for final estimations. You are an inspiration for me to get success in my future endeavor into software as service platforms. Thank you. I'm really glad that's working for you, Hassan, and for others. This advice I'm sharing on my live streams, 3 minutes a day live streams. So let me answer this. Actually, here we have a couple questions. Actually, how to collect functional, non-functional requirements for the software product, the new software product, and how to estimate it, how to understand the budget, the timeline behind it. Quick answer here will be, as a founder, usually I don't recommend to do it yourself. Just go watch one of my previous live streams where and you can find all my live streams here in the Software Founders YouTube live tab, or YouTube channel live tab, and here you will just Control F and higher steps to higher, and then you just need to load more, and actually you'll be able to find it. If you don't want to find this like here, you can just go to this web page on my website, SSW series/SSW series, and you will get this landing where you can download a document like this, where you will have all the lessons from how to plan software product step by step. These live streams are here grouped, named, linked from these recordings from this document, so we can get this freebie and get this all nicely organized step by step. So and there you can find the answer to this question. But put it shortly, I would not recommend doing this on your own. It's better to hire proper developers, development agency, and ask them to do this for you. Ideally, you will pay them small fee to do that at a high quality. And with that information, you can either just pause and make your decision, find more money, whatever is the final result. Do you have money now? Not yet. Or you can ask them to implement that project according to that plan they just came up for you. So but if you want to do this yourself, then that process I already described again in my previous live stream, which is project roadmap part. This is the series from September 2022, where I was showing our step-by-step process to software startup workshops. This is how we start new project and do detailed due diligence, technical overview, project roadmap, product strategy. And here we have a couple lessons, couple live streams. First one is full scope raw notes, how we scope out and how we put that into user stories. These two live streams. Live stream number 136, user stories and epics. Here I'm showing it all in details, 6 minutes. And then here we have putting detailed specifications, 8 minutes. I'm showing our spreadsheet and all the details you can learn from this. So these two will answer this first part of the question. After that, again, you go to the same document and look for estimation. Here we have also non-functional requirements. Sorry, I forgot this one. So actually you will have to check 3 of these. Functional requirements, non-functional requirements. This one is 6 minutes. And then the actual full scope raw notes step we are doing. These 3, if you follow these 3, you will do more or less good quality dump of the specification and requirements. Again, some of these steps, depending on your idea, might require developer programmer sitting with you and answering the questions and help you prepare that. If project is not super technically complex, that's something that not technical founder can put together. But again, it requires some technical understanding how software is working, even from the user perspective. So depending on where you are, I would usually actually, regardless of the situation where you are, actually I would usually recommend you hire some professionals. It's better to spend money than time in this case. It's like saying, okay, I don't want to pay to the doctor, I would try to treat myself. That's very similar here. If you don't pay the guys to do this planning stage for you, you will pay double price or triple price during the development stage. This will be a costly mistake to do. So even if you're a technical person, even if you're a former programmer, I would still recommend you talk to professionals and help you with these steps. Anyway, next part of your question, Hassan, was about estimation, right? Some calculation tools and for final estimation. So first of all, here we have estimates and demo, Livestream, software blueprint, the last stage of the workshop. And here you will find detailed step-by-step process, how we estimate, what are the templates, what are nuances there, what are caveats, so you can learn all from here. Again, for the detailed estimation, you can use some tools like calculators. There are a bunch of them online, but in most cases you will not get guaranteed results. So even with AI, you still need to talk with developers, and developers will probably adjust what calculator gives you. But calculator is a good thing for you to play quickly to understand, is it like 10K project, 50K projects, $1 million project, so you have an idea, does it make sense or not. Usually, for example, I also sell calculator tool that we develop internally for our workshop process, so we don't calculate everything. For this I'm using for the ballpark numbers call actually, so it provides me with ready-to-use numbers, and it works pretty well. In most cases it gives me good results with 20 to 30% accuracy. So this is the sales at sales.softformance.com/auto. I'll probably put the link into the description to this live stream, and this one goes with a video masterclass and the actual tool where you select which features do you want, mobile app, web app, all the different possible, there are probably 30 questions or more, and after answering all these questions you will get detailed estimate instantly, and basically you will have an idea, does it make sense to pursue this idea, or I need to adjust it a bit or change or switch to a different idea. This tool is not for free, it's our internal tool, but we decided to give it away so we don't spend too much time on calls. We just basically drop it to someone willing to launch idea, and they will calculate. But it costs only $7. It just to make sure that you are serious about that, and is not like freebie looker seeker. So you can buy it for $7. If you don't like it, we'll give it a refund. No bad feelings. So this live stream plus this calculator, and you will get ballpark number for almost any web or mobile application you want to build. So with these videos, I think you will get all the necessary instructions, step-by-step instructions how to do this. Again, in most cases, Hassan, I would recommend you, or anybody that is watching this and would love to get some estimates for the idea, consult with experts. Don't do this on your own. Like like in these videos, don't do this at home alone. Okay, so that's the same here. These mistakes are costly. Software is not built for $100. Usually you need tens, thousands of dollars to build any kind of MVP, and spending even $1, $2, $3, up to $5,000 might save tons of money and time and nerves at the end. So that's my advice at the end of this live stream. I hope I answered your question. If you have more questions like that, or maybe you have some extra things regarding that question, please comment below this live stream and I will happily answer it. With that being said, thank you for watching.